Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dang. Okay, it's 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Good morning, Gil. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, sis. Good morning, sis. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Focus, Virus. Good morning, Tesh. Good morning, Linda. Good morning. Good morning, Lincoln. Good morning, Antonio. Rolly, good morning. Kimbella, Paige, good morning. Bradley, good morning. Jake, good morning. Good morning, guys. Morning, sis. Okay, let me take a look at some of these names here. Let's see. Actually, that's not a bad short. That's not a bad short at all, if you think about it. Why? Because Microsoft is flat. Good morning, Mark. Hello, 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 hello. Let me look. Today's a big day, isn't it? Big day. What's Microsoft at? So we had these names report earnings. Yeah, Microsoft is a 4.6. I mean that doesn't really help anybody. That doesn't really help anybody. Uh, that does not help anybody at all. So thanks, Microsoft. I need to move one of these one-on-ones because I'm going to be back on stream at that point already. I should have done that earlier. Scheduled events. Yeah. Okay. Let me. Dang it. Still in. Waiting for to see if it more than better shot by making la, la, I just need to move one of the one-on-ones because I'm going to be back on stream, so I just need to message them. Uh, Tomorrow. Perfect. 77.31 resistance. I'll stay away. I'll stay away for now. Anyways, moving on. Good morning, everybody. Yeah. Howdy, Doug. Is the short king now. Good morning, Blizzy. Jay, good morning. Tesh, not shorting, promise. Alrighty, so let me. Again, I don't think we have anything that's important on the earnings calendar to look at today. We had AMD, Microsoft, Google, and Starbucks. All these companies reported last night. So let me look. Let me take a quick look here. So AMD, so Microsoft is selling off. AMD should be selling off as well. They're all AMD is down like $8, right? So they're all kind of gapping down. And then let me take a look at Google, Starbucks, and then BA already. So this is AMD, by the way. That's selling off. Google is also selling off, down 6% as well. And then S Bucks, Starbucks is actually green, surprisingly, which should make Virus very happy because it's going for $100, which is nice, Virus. Congratulations. Alrighty, so but you want to know something that's really interesting is so these companies are beats for the most part. All of them beat. Lauren, good morning. It's gonna be a good day. It will be right. All of these companies beat. Okay. You want to know what the main difference is with these charts? Is like it's simple. It's so simple. Is that it's like honestly as simple as like buy the hype and sell the news. Like right. So look at this chart. Right. Look at this chart. There's one is sitting at the bottom. Right. These guys are reporting earnings and they're sitting at the very bottom. Starbucks is not a good company, by the way. Starbucks came out and said, hey, we have issues because our business has concerns in the Middle East because of the war, right? We have a lot of problems to deal with. Market don't give a damn, right? The stock, all the bad news was getting priced in. As everything else was pumping, this was selling off, right? Look at it. Demand zone, earnings, boom skis. It's about to open below $100, right? Okay, cool. You want to look at Microsoft? You think Microsoft missed earnings? Microsoft doesn't miss earnings. They don't miss earnings, do they? Right? But guess what? Look at Microsoft. Microsoft has been pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping. Unless Microsoft gives us like a gold star for each share you're holding, that's worth $1 trillion. That look at where it's sitting, right? Look at Google. Same thing, right? Look at that. Google is at all-time highs, right? Unless these guys are giving out gold stars, look at AMD. AMD's been on fire. Look at this damn thing. That thing went from $94 to $180, right? How much good news can they price in before the stock goes down? So, anyways, so that's why when we're going into earnings, honestly, like it's to me, it's always more than just like earnings. It's like yes, even if they beat earnings, what happens after that, right? Do they still keep going up or do they go down? And these companies will most likely recover. Like they're gonna recover, they're gonna go boom skis again because it's what they do. But still, though, like damn, how much more? Alrighty. Anyways, so that's the those are the big names I think, and then BA reported earnings this morning. I haven't looked at BA yet. BA is actually green. You know what's crazy is it's the exact same thing, right? BA's reported earnings. We know Boeing has a lot of problems, Boeing has problems for days. The airplanes are getting blown up into pieces in the sky. Airbags are falling out of the ceiling. Um, right? Look at this. Boeing, right? So, well, I guess revenue increases. I don't know. Whatever they're saying. It sounds good, doesn't it? Exactly, virus, right? Yes, yes, yes. They have a lot of issues, but then you look at what the stock has been doing. It's been crashing, right? Look at that, from 270 to 200, right? And then they report earnings. So even if that they can have as much bad news as they want, anything that's a little bit optimistic, like losses getting narrower, the stock goes up a bit. Windows blowing out, Kimbella. Windows are blowing out of BA, and the stock is still up 2% this morning, right? So, yeah, let's go, virus. So yeah, like it's always more than just what you think is happening, right? There's more to this than market makers don't make it easy for you, do they? They do not, right? Saying how much more when Nvidia was at 350 though? Yeah, 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 yeah. But also Nvidia wasn't reporting earnings though, or were they? Let me take a look. So NVDA. See, what I mean is in order for you to rally, like you have to only pay attention to that earnings day, though, right, Wes? So only the earnings day. Forget about everything else that comes after that, because eventually the stocks, like the value of the stock, will eventually prevail, right? So you might report earnings and go down for a day, but then eventually, like Microsoft will keep going up. There's no question about that, right? So, but again, if you're pumping into earnings, you need to crush earnings to keep pumping, because the good news is getting priced and the expectation is getting priced in that you will beat. So then, even if you beat and it's what was expected, okay, what's next, right? So, by the way, this was Nvidia earnings. Look at Nvidia earnings, right? Nvidia reported right there, right here, right? What was Nvidia doing into earnings? Nvidia was on fire. And then what happened as soon as they reported earnings? Nvidia did not miss earnings. Nvidia did not miss earnings. What happened to Nvidia? Nvidia went down from 500 all the way down to 450 after earnings. Eventually, though, Nvidia is a good company, and eventually, Nvidia said, "Wait, what's going on? Six, whatever." Right? So when you're pumping into earnings, right, it just makes it a little bit tough, because again, you like the company, you know it's gonna crush it, but at the same time, it's like, okay, I know it's gonna, but you know what I mean? I mean, even look at this as well, right? Like Nvidia reported earnings right here, and it popped, and then it came right back down again, right? So these earnings are becoming, yeah. So yeah, we'll see. For the market to digest, it really does. So let's take a look. Let me see here. CM. Na, na, na. And then pick up back every. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Oh wow, that's nice. That was a nice short. That would have been a nice short. Anyways, moving on. Virus. I know, right? I'm just sitting here like I'm not getting the thrust beats. Dale, good morning. Shaftman, good morning. Justin, good morning. Wes, good morning. CM, good morning. Uh, Opening pumping coming. Oh yeah, there we go. So we have 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Okay, I need to delete some of these here. So ENSC looks interesting. GHSI interesting. VNDA has some news. CNXA has some news. There are a whole bunch of names here with news if they actually do perform, right? So this one's been going sideways. So TRIB, these guys had news. Q1, whatever, had news this morning. The good thing about this is we've been bouncing off the bottom of the range, right? So we've been bouncing off like 40, 52 cents, 54 cents, 54, right? So, but then we're failing at 60 cents consistently. So we need to clear that 60 cent level there for TRIB. Let me refresh this gainer list one last time here before we get into the open. So these are just a few names to look at. LYT is one of them. Since had news last night. ENSC had news this morning. TRIB obviously had news. MINM has been a crazy stock with volatility. And then NEXI, obviously, we've talked about NEXI. Anything else on this list that we should be looking at? Anything else on this list? Nothing that I see. Nothing that I see. Okay. So we've for the most part, talked about all of those names. ENSC isn't doing much for now, but it looks like it's doing a good job of holding $1.90. So that's good. MINM is a bit volatile, so we shall see what happens at the open. Sint is really not doing much here either, right? So this is kind of how we went into the day yesterday, wasn't it? Like it was so slow into the open, like nothing happening at all. Nothing. Uh, let's see. Okay, let me 36. Let's see. La. I should be in prison by March. And then I want to look at LYT as well. So LYT is a LYT penny stock. Nice little pop. Nice little pop to 15 cents, but then came back down. So we can keep a close eye on this one for a curl. Yeah, I miss like SPAC pumps, you know. We need a SPAC squeeze. A SPACy squeeze. That's wild. Tesla's rubbish. Tesla's rubbish. Tesla is absolute rubbish. Okay. Yeah, SPACs. 88.99. 11. Kimbella, are you seeing what's happening? This is magic, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna need to move that. You did? Well done. Congratulations. Oh my goodness. You woke up early. You woke up nice and early. Which is good. So that thing seems to be finding a bit of a base at like $9 for now, which is nice. Hopefully it can carry that momentum into the open. That would be perfect. That thing actually does look interesting to watch into the open too. To watch into the open. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. There we go. 97 today. You think so for the S&P? That's interesting, actually. Yeah, I mean it depends. Let me pull up SPY here. So 15 minutes. Yeah, so it looks like we're selling off a little bit. Yeah. Thoughts on AGFY? I'll take a look. Take a look. Ski. Tap over. Yes. There we go. CNXA is pushing up a little bit. Yeah, it is. Anyways, let me take a look at AGFY, Justin. Love it, Kimbella. Love it. So Kimbella's watched the video and she's making monies now, guys. So I like that. Well done. That's how I would play pre-market, Kimbella. So I'm glad you're doing it. It really helps. Like I've said this multiple times. There's only one way that I play pre-market. There's only one way. Well, I mean, you can look for curls, but again, I like that. So yeah, I can see exactly what you've done. I can see exactly what you've done, and it worked out really well. So, yep, beautiful. You don't want to be chasing these plays because then you just end up getting yourself in trouble, anyways. Alrighty, so it does look like we're trying to curl, at around like $9 to 8.90. So that's not too bad if we can curl. There we go. Let's see where this candle ends up closing at. La 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 la. I do need to mute my Discord though, because I will be getting these alerts like all day long. It becomes a little bit on the annoying side, It becomes a little bit annoying. A little bit annoying. A little bit annoying. Okay, there we go. What stock we have to follow? Good morning, Virgo. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Richards. If I've missed you, good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah. Stop sliding in Blaze's DMs, you weirdos. Yes, I need to mute my mute. I think it is 41. La, la, la. There you go. And only use the chats. Yeah, I'm becoming like worse at responding to DMs though. Good morning, D. And he during the day, unbelievable. I. Anyways, not saying anything, Joe. Not saying anything. Not saying a thing. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Let's see. Uh, I just need to quickly edit one of these things here. Hmm. Okay, perfect. I need to buy those. Oh, Tesla calls this morning. Yeah. Good morning, Sky. Oh yeah, I still need to look at that, don't I? AGFY. Uh, there we go. It's pretty big drop. Okay, let me take a look at this, Justin. I'm gonna have to use a bigger time frame here. Yeah, I can see what you're looking at. Um, average down. Yeah. Yeah, Justin, it doesn't look bad at all. Like it's been holding this level all morning. I think what I mentioned in Discord too was, we keep failing at 80 cents. We keep failing at 80 cents, but then we keep bouncing off like 69, some weird number. Yeah, it's 69 cents, right? So that's the range for now. So maybe this bottom isn't too bad, especially if we can stay above it. Alrighty, so 69 to 80 cents. Yeah, it likes the 69 for some reason. Yeah, yeah. Mm, yeah, really weird. Yeah. Anyways, you're watching Plug, thinking about taking a position. Okay. Options and sell stocks. Just sell the contracts. No, he's gonna have to exercise at some point. Elon will have to at some point. So I mean, that's what happened the last time he needed monies for Twitter, right? He's like, oh, okay, let me go. You do, Justin? Okay, sounds good. So yep. So at some point, he's gonna need to take profits whenever he needs monies again for the next venture. Thoughts on Rev B? I'll take a look. CNXA looks really good. It's at up 104%. So these guys actually had news this morning, right? They had used this. Oh yeah, that thing is on fire, on fire. So there's CNXA. Oh my goodness, that's a pretty nice run. It's a very nice run. Sheesh, sheesh. Yeah, that thing looks really good into the. Well, it's not at $1 yet. It's only up 100%. But oh yeah, there we go. Good morning, Jasmine. What do I think about? I mean, you're asking about it at the highs, though, right? Kimbella, same strategy. Like nothing's changed. Good morning, J Scott. Hey, oh, good morning, good morning. Nothing's changed, Kimbella. Right? Keep doing the same thing you're doing. Exactly what you did on the other one is what you want to do on this one. Alrighty, nothing's changed. So if you're asking for an entry in a stock that's at the highs, what are the chances that we sell off a little bit and then you're red? Pretty damn high, right? So if you can catch the news nice and early on, that's amazing, right? So yeah, you want to wait for consolidation, wait for sell off something. So yeah, again, that news was in the breaking news channel, so it's done really well when the news came out. So if you can catch the news, beautiful. But if you miss it, exactly the same strategy. Alrighty. Nothing new. So yeah, it's still sitting at 69 here. Even though the bid is slightly below Justin, it's still at 69. GSHI is an interesting name, so I think we're gonna watch this one when the market opens. Just because again, this thing was at $12 in pre-market, right? Yeah, $13 almost, and then now it's been consolidating around like 9 to 880, to 890 already. So if this thing can find a way to stay above this range, that might not be too bad. So let's see what happens at the open. So I'm gonna just leave the line at 890. We've been playing in and around that demand zone, which is good. So if we can stay above 890 and then break above 950, that thing might go boom skis again. So we're gonna leave GHSI as one of the names to watch. Alrighty. Again, AGFY, if we can stay above 69 cents, that's good. TRIP is breaking below 54 cents, so meh on the back burner for now. MINM is also selling off, so meh. Let's see if that thing can consolidate. If it, or they consolidate or watch $2.90 for support. Alrighty, ENSC had news this morning. It also looks like it's kind of finding a base at $1.88, which is a good number. 188 is always a good number. But yeah, that's a story for try in November that the money would be used to finance. Okay. What are the levels to watch on Mark? Yusef, for short-term trade with la, 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 la. Okay, I'll take a look at Mark. Yeah, so isn't it crazy, guys? The news on Mark, isn't that crazy? Oh, that was a beautiful short. Mm. La 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 la. Okay, perfect. There we go. Ground levels. So Mark comes out yesterday, and they're like, let me pull up a chart, and then we can look at the story, okay? Because it's more fun that way. It looks like Lit is bouncing. Lit is bouncing really nicely. How could we forget Lit? Lit is another penny stock. It looks like it's bouncing off, like it's consolidating around like 1150, and it's bouncing off that level. So that's good. So another one to add on the watch list as we go into the open. Ready? So 62% there. So this amazing company comes out yesterday and Mark, right? And ticker symbol MARK, and they drop some fire news. It's like, oh my goodness, we have a deal with Amazon with Microsoft. We have news with Microsoft. Everybody buy the stock. Oh my goodness. We have news with Microsoft. They're gonna get, well, it's an $80 million deal. $80 million. Market cap is 7 million. The deal is 80 million. You do the math, right? Market cap 7 million. Deal is 80 million. Everybody gets excited. Oh my goodness, deal with Microsoft. Stock goes from 30 cents. Oh my goodness, 40 cents. Christmas is coming. It's only January, but Christmas is coming. 70 cents. Oh my goodness, we're going to Mars. Let's go to the Lambo dealership. Oh my goodness, $1. You know what? Let's buy the Lambo dealership. Oh my goodness, $1.20. It's up 200%, 300%, almost 400%. And then we hit resistance. And then we hit $1.60, $1.70 from 30 cents, okay? And then these guys drop an SEC filing. Come to find out, instead of these guys getting 80 billion, they're going to be spending 80 billion. And then the stock says, wait, what? Are you kidding me? You spend monies? Oh my goodness. Then the stock got entered. But for now, though, in terms of levels, you have 64 cents for support. 64 is the same level that we bounced at. So if I go back to 64, look at this 64 support. Right there, this was 64. Right here, this was 64. Right? And when the market was open, after hours, this morning, it's the exact same level, 64 cents. So if you're playing with this thing, when it gets close to 64 cents, as long as it stays above 64 cents, you can still play the vibes. Like I'm sure this thing is still going to give you volatility, right? You can still kind of play with it, up, down, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, yeah. So, but yeah, it's bouncing. It's trying to. So that's good. Nexi, yeah. Let me go look at Nexi. Oh yeah, there goes Mark. Mark is Mark. The market's open, obviously. And Mark is kind of bouncing a little bit. So, yeah, we'll see. Anyways, there goes CNXA as well, right? CNXA 44 cents, 120% for CNXA. That's a beautiful rally. Actually, AGFY, look at that. That's 69. Where's Justin? Justin the criminal. Who likes 69? Justin does. So that 69 support for AGFY is acting as a really good base. So congratulations if you're oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 76 guys. Justin the criminal. 69. You got in at 64, Donald? Vibes. Anyways, and then let me take a look at Nexi. So Nexi. Nexi's pumping again. Nexi is the exact same as like RVSN, honestly. Right? Multiple days of pumping. Thank you, Lion. Right. So the only thing to be worried about on Nexi here, guys, is in pre-market we filled at 2021 all the way to the open, right? Same resistance. So be careful at $21. I mean, it's dropping already, anyways. Ready? Yeah, it doesn't it, Musty? Yeah. So I think yeah, GHS. Oh my goodness, look at that thing pop. Look at that 960. Right? So 88%, 970, 980, 990. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that candle. So yeah, for sure, this is one of the stocks we have to watch, right? Just because it fits the theme. It fits the theme of like these stocks that are close to $10 giving us boom skis. And GHSI is halted, right? So it's halted up. It's halted up. So for sure on the watch list. For sure on the watch list. Na 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 na. Dang it! That thing crashed, didn't it? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, Rob! Dang it, CL! CL crashed without me. Oh yeah, yeah. That was a pretty nice short position. Hmm. Na 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 na. Good morning, Ryan. Are we holding after this halt? I mean, if you're in here, you're in there already. You won't be able to sell, Lucas. Right? There's nothing you can do. If you're in there, you're stuck. So MINM is also bouncing. You know what's interesting? Today is one of those days where like everything is almost popping immediately at the open. That's interesting, Wes, isn't it? It's very interesting. It's funny how the market works. LYT looks like it sold off into the open, but then watched at 1150 for potential support. NEXI needs to get back above 21 or just consolidate above 20. Right? So, Joe, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell, Joe? Bernard, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys, if I missed you. Alrighty, so there goes CNXA. CNXA is just pumping. That thing is just on fire. On fire. 47 cents. 47 cents, CNXA. Okay. Let's see here. Na 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 na. Okay, I see what you're looking at. Yep. What do you mean you're done? What about me, Joe? What about me? Anyways, so there goes 49. So that 50 should be a big level for CNXA. If you're holding CNXA, congratulations. Alrighty, that thing dropped news and they just said bye, 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 bye. Right, that's a pretty nice push. Um, so again, we just have to wait for the thing to on halt, Lucas. Right. So usually when a thing gets on halt, when it halts like that, you expect continuation. Alrighty. Um, so let's see what happens. Where's support? It's pumping, pumping. If you're holding CNXA, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're holding that. So AGFY still looks really good. We know where that resistance is, anywhere from 79 to 70, 79 to 80 already, 79 to 70, 79 to 80 already. So again, beautiful bottom, right? Bottom, 69, resistance closer to 80 cents. Righty, so again, congratulations if you're holding that thing. Just be careful that 50 cents is resistance. 50 cents is always resistance. 50 cents is always a problem, right? For obvious reasons. Yeah, MINM is pumping, which is good. So where did we fail at in pre-market? We went all the way to 365 in pre-market. So that's a pretty nice run. Pretty nice run. 42 sold at 48 Kimbella. Oof, my goodness. My goodness. You become like a you've become like a proper criminal. A proper criminal. Good job. Nice exit too, by the way. Na 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 na. Yeah, Kimbella, it changed the day you became a member. The day you became a member, it changed. Everything changed. Now you're crushing these plays left and right, right and left. Anyways, well done. Well done. Uh, hmm. Uh, anyways, moving on. On halted. So this thing actually on halted. GHSI and then popped all the way to 1050. By the way, and now it's selling off. Now it's selling off. Let's see. Now it is selling off. So, and it's halted down. Yeah, it's halted down now. Mayday, 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 mayday. We have a OM. Yeah, Vladimir, you like that stock. You've mentioned that a few days now. Yeah, NEXI is still dropping. Right, double tops and then sell off. Mark still looks interesting. It actually hit new highs there and then backed off as well. highs and then backed off, which is interesting. Which is interesting. So this bottom. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, perfect. Test test. You love the monies? Well, yeah, no. ONMD. You think it's working now? It wasn't working, Omega. Let's see. Yeah, this one looks really good. Congratulations, Vladimir. I know you were asking about this one yesterday about swinging. So congratulations on that play. Mm. Choo, 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 choo. Perfect. La 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 la. When went down on you. I mean, so again, that thing did pop though, right? So the one thing we've said multiple times is when a stock on hold, and especially when it's pushing like that to 1050, don't let it go below the hold price. You are in a timeout, Omega. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Not sure why. Yeah. So when you're in a position that gets halted, um, you want to try your best not to go from like to go below the hold price. Alrighty. Otherwise, you're just putting yourself in a tough situation. So yeah, keep that in mind for next time. So don't let it go below, especially your entry price. Actually, if you're green, try not to go red. So maybe put that stop loss in just somewhere. Put the stop loss and then go from there. Let's see. Three. Perfect. Yeah. Well, thank you, Josh. Thank you, Ryan. La 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 la. Okay, let me look at some of these other names here. So it looks like LYT is still selling off. MINM is actually done really well. I think we're slowly approaching that pre-market double top. Yeah, pre-market double tops. Pre-market double tops. Yeah, so just be aware. Once we get close to 360, 365, you then you have resistance. Alrighty? Yeah, NEXI. Yeah. It looks like we're still holding 69 here, Justin, for this one. ONMD still looks good. It almost seems like it has lower volume on these candles, which, yeah, it does. And then CNXA stalling at 50 cents, which is not a massive surprise. Alrighty? Not a huge surprise. 5. Let's see if we can. There you go. Joe, you know what? Joe, how many times did I say your name? Unbelievable. Anyways, yeah, no, it looks like CNSA is wanting to break out here. So 51 pennies, 150, 54% there. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Oh my goodness, 53 cents. So it looks like it finally broke above 50 cents. If it can close this candle above that, that's a really good thing. That's a really good thing. Yeah, that's a really nice pop. La, 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 la. There we go. Okay, fixed. Yeah, that thing is absolutely sending it there. Sending it. Uh, la 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 la. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at it go. Right. So as soon as that thing broke out, yeah, as soon as that thing broke above 50 cent, it said bye. See ya. Don't wanna be ya. Oh, that's a really nice breakout actually. La 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 la. Okay. There we go. That's a nice run, isn't it? For CNXA. Oh yeah. Lionel, take a look. What's your position in NYCB? I'll look. I'll look. Yeah, that was a really good breakout. This is what Virgo calls educated FOMO. You're missing CNXA. Yeah, you are. That thing has been a monster. So congratulations if you're in this one and you played with it. Congrats, 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 congrats. Let's go. What did God say when He created that? Wow. Oh my goodness. Dang. That is pretty good, actually. Mohammed, thank you for the super chat. Can I get him? Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that. And that was a pretty good roast. Pretty good roast. Not gonna lie. That's a pretty good roast. Anyways, for the joke, back to work. Thank you for the super chat. That was good. This morning at 21, Vladimir, congratulations. Well done. Well done, well done. So it looks like MINM failed at resist. Yeah, not a huge surprise, guys. Right? Look left. So resistance on the left hand side, it failed at 360, like we mentioned for MINM. So again, CNXA looks like it might stall here though at 64 cents. We have a nice supply zone there. Not sure how far back that goes, but I would trust that. Alrighty, so yeah, 64 cents. Just be careful at the top there. Also, it's up 211%. So just be careful here. If you're in a long position, you can simply just watch the nine or watch the higher lows on these candles, and you're fine. But if you're looking for a brand new position as it's stalling, then you want to be very careful. Musty, yeah, let me take a look. So HSCI. Wait, what the hell is this? This is the wrong stock. HSCI. HCSI. Musty. Oh, CS, HSCS. I'm like, what am I looking at? 15 pennies. Thank you. Oh wow, yeah, that thing just popped again. Oh wow, nice. Okay, well, let's see if we come back at some point, Musty, and retest a nine or something else. Because that thing is hitting the highs of the day already. That's always annoying. AGFY looks like it's slowly dipping, but that thing eventually did push to close to that 80. Justin already. CNXA is failing at resistance, not a huge surprise. There we go. La, 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 la. Okay. CLDX. Let me take a look. I know. Yeah. Look at ONMD actually. Right. That Gail. Good morning. ONMD is pumping, and you know who's smiling in the chats? Jerry and Vladimir. 45 finally out at 60. Well done, Will. Congratulations. I'm glad you were a part of this one. Well done. Sold in the 60s. Okay. Well, still kind of playing with that same resistance at 64 cents. It's going up and then it's going back down, and now it looks like it's going up again. So again, it's holding the nine. So if you're in a long position and you're comfortable with it, you could simply just watch the nine. Why? Because it's been holding the nine the entire morning. Right. Every time we've had a dip on CNXA, it's bounced off the nine. Right. Bounced off the nine. So yeah, as long as it keeps holding this little blue line, right? So, but again, we have a lot of resistance at 64 cents. And there goes another test, and there goes another struggle bus moment, right? Into support. Musty? I'll zoom out in a second here. I just want to see the only reason I'm not doing that now is because it's sitting at the highs already, That's always a concern for me. Back to let's go, Wes. Good job. You good job on picking up that thing on the dip. So CNXA looks good. Um, and then ONMD also looks really good. Let me take a look. It looks like we're kind of trying to curl here, retesting and curling the breakout at 1050 for lit. So hopefully lit can stay above that level. Next is gone to the abyss, right? Be wary of the double tops, guys. Be wary of the supply zones and the double tops. This was a problem. This was a problem, right? Do not FOMO into this thing at the open thinking it's going to $30 because you will be undressed and presented at the bridge as the new king or queen of the bridge. All hail, king, queen of the bridge, because they FOMOed at $21 and then crashed. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's been consolidating at 860 here, Kimbella. So that thing needs to get back above like 950 though. Just because 950 was that problem earlier, it needs to get back above that level. CNXA is still failing at resistance. Yeah, consolidating. Consolidating. Okay, let's see here. Fun. Spikes. What's in the scanner? ONM. Okay, sounds good. What's in the news? Edible. Edible. Don't really care for that for now. CNXA looks good. ONMD still looks really good there, actually. Still looks really good there. What's the bottom of that candle? Interesting. Cool. You're taking a chance on lit at 1050. Yeah, as long as it stays above that level. You did on ES. Joe is wild. Yes, you did 5 contracts. Oh my goodness. Sheesh, you did 5 long contracts. Okay, that was a pretty nice drop though. That was a nice pop at the open and then a drop. 5 contracts. Oh my goodness, Joe. Sheesh. Sheesh. My goodness, that's impressive. Okay, so this thing is still sitting at $2.10. Pushed up a little bit and then came back down. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Let me go back. So CNXA looks like it broke out, right? Consolidating, 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 and then boom skis. So yeah, it's gone. Right now, it needs to stay above that 64. So this is the luxury of being in a position, like being great in the position, because then you can wait, right? The problem with that 64 is if you're not in a position, it can go either way, and then you have a problem, right? So now that we broke above 64, we actually closed above 64. This candle is not the boomski candle; it was the previous candle that closed above, and then boomskis, and then now it's trying for 70 cents. So this is another example of educated FOMO, just like 50 cents was. Just like 50 cents was. Na, 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 na. Educated FOBO. Na, 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 na. Let's see. Na, 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 na. Okay, perfect. Demand zones again, paywall. Okay, demand zones. Maybe on a different time frame, actually. Maybe on a different time frame. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, are you in it, Mark? In paywall, are you in it? Just stare at the chart. How do you enter? I mean, with 5 contracts, Joe, there's no way you're looking somewhere else. I'm telling you, virus. Like Tesla is sus. Tesla is not it. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Tesla is not it. Anyway, so looks like we came back to 10, almost 1050 there for who was asking for. Yeah, we came back on yeah, Luke, we came back to 1060 actually on this candle for lits, and then it immediately bounced. Immediately. Immediately. La la la. La la la. Hmm. Anyways, 53, silly me sold at 65. Jay, that's okay. That there's nothing wrong with that, right? So I'm glad you sold it actually. uh, I'm glad you sold it because look at it now 60 cents, 59, 58. Eventually it has to sell off, right? So this was a pretty nice run. Like to not even have a dip at the open and just immediately go boom skis. I'm glad you sold it. Uh, yeah, 53 to 65 cents is pretty nice. It's at 60 cents now. So don't worry about anything else. Righty? That thing ran to 70 and then all the way to 73 and then backed off. So gains are gains. Gains are gains. Don't worry about the rest. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's slowly creeping up, isn't it? Stuff like this, if that thing breaks above $10 and actually stays above $10, it might actually give us some nice rallies. The volume is super light. The float is 1 million. So let's see. We've seen some of these names do really well, right? I'm just laughing at myself. So if that thing can break out and consolidate, that would be really good. AGFY is holding nicely in between 70 and 80. CNXA guys is at 56 cents now. Pay yourself on the way up, please. 55 cents. Merry Christmas. Pay yourself on the way up. Hell is coming. The end is near. So again, don't forget to pay yourself on the way up, please. Alrighty. Please and thank you. Even ONMD is also selling off now. Retesting the 9, but still dipping. Still dipping. Yeah. These are pretty crazy drops. Mm, crazy. I muted this whole time? Yeah, I was. Sorry. Uh, let's see. Candles, candles, candles. La, 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 la. Mm. Hmm. La 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 la. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it looks like ONMD is bouncing off the 9 actually, which isn't too bad. Which isn't too bad. Not too bad. LYT is taking off. Oh, did you get that position? I hope you did. I hope you did, Luke, because it came back down to that almost to the bottom there and then popped. I hope you did. I hope you took it. La la la. There we go. It does. It does. There we go. Penny scalp. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done, Justin. You are? Okay. Don't go red, please. Don't go red. It looks like CNX is kind of consolidating at 54 cents as well. So that's not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, OM&D needs to get back above $2, consolidate, and then you should be back. Oh yeah, look at our GHSI. I tell you, this one seems to have a bit of that theme, like that theme vibe. On a Mark, you about the business, the paywall, absolutely. Honestly, yeah, that is pretty scammy. Not gonna lie, that's pretty scammy. Um, yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Uh, oh, I see, I see. Oh, that's why. That is why. Would need to be a 1. Here we go. The type of yeah. KD also in there at 1150. Okay. What's resistance? Let me go back and take a look. I think you're gonna be dealing with like 1240-ish here for resistance. Yeah, 1240-ish. 1240-ish. Mm. Uh, Hmm. Let's see. Yep. The curl. It's breaking. It's breaking out. TIRB. See, that's one that I haven't really paid attention to today. Musty. It almost looks like HSCS is bouncing off like 1420, which isn't too bad. Yeah, 1420, not too bad actually. Hmm. Yeah, if it stays above that level. So stays above that level. La 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 la. Mm. Yep. Okay. The curl. You're in 3 contracts now for ES. 3 contracts. Yeah, it is trying. It's trying to bottom out at like 50, 40, 49, 15-ish. Yeah, trying to. Trying to, Joe. Yeah, 64. Yep. Yep. If we can get back above 60 and just consolidate, I think that's a good thing. Yeah, so it looks like we bounced off 54 and then slowly curled. Slowly curled. Not bad at all. La 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 la. Let's see. Seven, yeah, 4. Crazy. MINM is pumping, Pepe. Sure, I'll look. I will look ski. Yeah, looks good. Looks really good. So congratulations. Nothing's changed with the resistance though. Actually, no, that was a breakout. Yeah, that was a market open breakout. Hmm. Yeah, 350 breakout. Actually, I completely missed that for some reason. I'm not sure how I did that, but I missed it. You had to, Ryan? You forgot to pay your bills? And then what happened? What happened? Did the power go out? Ryan says, I'm back, guys. I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, I know. So for now, I'd be watching that 60 for CNXA for potential break, hold, and then push. That's the level 2 watch. Okay, perfect. Spy lows of the day to the abyss, Virgo. To the abyss, that's what we wanted. Send it to the abyss. AGFY looks nice too. Are you still holding that position, Justin? At 81 cents now. So pre-market resistance 83, 84. Yeah, it's pushing 83. See that bottom was pretty damn nice at 70, 69. 69. 69. Mm. 69. Yeah, that 69 entry was pretty damn nice. So if you got 69, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, let's see if that's a higher low candle actually. So yeah, again, if you look to pre-market though for AGFY, like it's been failing at this level so much. So just be careful. 63 to 64 is your next problem to deal with. Is your next problem to deal with there. So be careful, please. All right, if we can close these candles though above, oh my goodness, as soon as I say that, somebody dumps it. Somebody immediately dumps it to 75. Wow. It's gonna pop back up though, looks like, so that's good. So that's good. Yeah, it's back to 80 cents here. But now the bid is at 77.50, so it could easily go back down again. Easily go back down again. Very close. There you go. 50-50. Yeah, it's close. It's very close. Oh yeah, that thing is just going now. Yeah, I know it's crashing, Ryan. ONMD. It failed at $2 and then went to the abyss. La la la. You were in at 320? Hmm. La, 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 la. Mm, there you go. So there's the 50 you wanted, Justin. 550 for IMNM. That's a pretty good run. It's a really good run. This is a perfect definition of like breakouts and continuation. Breakout and then continuation. So 550 resistance there. It's actually had multiple good breakouts. Pre-market breakout, market open resistance breakout, and then another breakout. Yeah, now you just have to deal with 550. 20 cents scalp, very nice. Hanging in the abyss. Well, I mean, yeah, you can see that it's stalling at $2 though, right? At the very top. Look at how many candles we have at the top. Just failing. $2, $2, $2. That's usually a bad sign. No, 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 no. Hmm. Let's see. Yeah, $2 from the $2 range, from the abyss. Yeah, that is actually quite nice. Actually, quite nice. La 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 la. Hmm. Okay, let me see then. La, 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 la. La, la. There we go, perfect. Okay, then. 31st. Today is the 31st, yes. TradingView reset. LCX coin today. There you go. Ryan is giving you some insights, some inside tips on the in the crypto place. Some inside tips. It looks like CNXA came back above. So we actually went back for a double bottom at 54 cents, which is nice, which is actually very nice. 54 cents and then boom skis to 65. Yeah, that's a really nice pop, Justin. A really nice pop. I would not follow me. I would follow you. I would follow. Unbelievable. So we want to do 3 and 3. Switch to scandals. Switch to scandals as well. Cues. Interesting. Good morning. Lids is ready. Yeah, no, Lids has done well. It just failed that resistance, 1240, Christopher Miles. So hopefully it stays above 11 cents here now. Alrighty. Hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah, if we can have ever break above like $10 and actually stay above $10 for GHSI, I think that would be a good thing. For now, it's really not done it. But yeah, if we can get a higher low and then it goes back above $10, we might be ready for a bit of a run, which would be fun. Which would be fun. You always make me laugh. Of course, right? Of course. There you go. Spy wants 85. The question is, what do we want? Huh? Virus? Looks like we failed again at 82 cents, guys. 82, 83 for AGFY, straight back to 70 cents. I do like that it's able to play in this range and you can scalp it up and down, up and down. We want 50, yes. Closing in the red. I think I'm done with thoughts on your thinking. So where do you have your stop loss at for now, Jay? Where do you have your stop loss at? I would for sure make sure you have a stop loss, right? If I was in that same position, I think your entry was closer to the abyss. Just let me know. I think I would set a stop loss already, and I wouldn't want this thing to go below 487. So I'd be setting maybe just set a stop loss slightly below that. Yeah. Crash 44%. Oh wow, another bank going under. That's not good. That is not good. Uh, uh, and it's dropping there, dropping. But I lost. You lost power. Pay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's catch the rest of the 50% crash. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice for the S&P to crash? I don't think we're ever gonna get 50%. So, well, you never know. I feel like every once in a while, you have these crazy like market like huge crashes, right? I think 2020 we had COVID. 2020 we had COVID. 2021 we had something, and then we had the banks. But there was something else in between that. We had something else in between that. We had COVID. We had the banks. We had at some point we had the war in Ukraine and Russia. Almost like every year we have something that takes the market like to the abyss. So it's 2024. What's going to take the market to the abyss? Fed pivot or what? A Fed pivot? Yeah, we had the war, I think. Yeah, we had the war. So 2020, 2021, 2022. So we've had, yeah, 2022 we had the banks. 2021 we had the war. 2020 we had COVID. We had COVID. So the last 3 years we've had some crazy things. COVID was obviously the biggest one because people were dying, like, and everything was kind of shut down, right? So that had a huge impact, more than the war, more than the banks. But yeah, we shall see if we have something this year. Seems like a nice positive number, equaling to eight. Yeah, apocalypse. All I know is power definitely killed me in, 20, in 21. Eight is usually lucky, usually. China, yeah, exactly. No, so throws, exactly. We also have no comments. You're in plug at 410. Okay, let me take a look. So yeah, the markets have been pumping, like plug. The markets have been pumping. They usually are before we have a dipski. Ooh, that's nice. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. Let me just look at the daily really quickly here. So your next resistance is closer to like 480, even though that level is quite high. Your next resistance is closer to 480. Let me. That's the daily though. Let me look at a few different time frames here. Um, Obviously, when you get to levels like 450, those are psychological resistance levels, right? So, but if you when you look at the bigger time frame, yeah, yeah. So we have a little bit of problems here. 440. So 440 and then 450 and then 480. Yep, yep. 440, 440, 450, and then 480. Those are your next three levels there. Yeah, that's a nice pop. There you go. We'll lose the Super Bowl. Markets will crash. Hmm. If Biden wins, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. See, I don't know. Like, I don't understand how Biden wants to run again. Forget about politics. Like, just I don't know how he wants to run again. But anyways, it looks like we're bouncing back up there for MINM. which is good. DWAC is also pumping. Okay, nice. Especially in Canada, you live in Texas. It's wild. Yeah, wild. There we go. The is food is the best, William. You've been there. La 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 la. In later years, yeah. No, I do think you guys should have a cap though. Like seriously, you know, as much as people want to run, they should. Yeah. So there goes CM. It's so the one good thing about this CM is that it's riding the blue line, the 9, right? And there goes block at 440 now. So let's see if we can break above 440. There's a nice little block at 440, but it looks like it's breaking it. Well, not quite holding, but there's still a nice block there at full resistance. So 440, 450, and then you've seen the menu. Well, that's different though. That's different. I see. I don't think again. To me, it doesn't matter who's president, guys. It really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Uh, huh. There it goes. Crazy. It's mad. It matters when it's. Well, that's because he keeps spamming it. You know. That's because he keeps spamming it. He just yeah. Yeah, to me, it doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter who's president when it comes to the markets, is what I'm saying. That's yeah, yeah. When it comes to the markets, it doesn't matter because Trump was president, market hits all time highs. Biden is president now, markets hit all time highs. So the markets just go boom skis whenever they want. You know, they just go boom skis whenever they want. La, 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 la. Yes. If you don't have it, you might just have to change your sensitivity to 25. So go to settings, input sensitivity 25, and then you should have it. Should have it. 9 and the 20. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I mean that thing hopefully gave you a chance to sell again in the supply zone. At 25 and you don't have it, then maybe something else is different with yours. Yeah, so that's the 1 minute, and yeah, I'm not sure why. So I need to change that. So yeah, and now it's dropping. Uh, this how can a company keep diluting? Yeah, I honestly don't know, Musty. Like how they let companies do that over and over, but yeah. La 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 la. La, 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 la. And give something back before like diluting. Yeah, usually well, I mean, I say good companies. Usually companies will find a way to um, they will find a way to drop some PR, pop the stock before they do an offering, But yeah, it's below $1 again after oh my goodness. That is nasty. It's not good. So it looks like we held above 11 on LYT, which is good. So we can stay above 11, that would be good. Let's see. So, la, 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 la. Airwin, 8 pennies. Yeah. Mm-mm. Musty. This is why technicals really matter, right? And you're good at technicals, and you just have to follow the technicals. Um, I keep telling you, Musty. You know technicals more than most. And it's like I think the circumstances are unfortunate, but yeah, if you stick to technicals, you do well. Like Awin was at 30 something cents. You know that when it's breaking down, just get rid of it. NXU, as soon as NXU went below that split price, or there was no hope, Musty, right? You know that. As soon as it goes below the split price, yeah, you can't wait for the bounce. You just have to, follow the technicals. Spy is dropping, or I want Spy in the abyss. Like I want Spy to be entered so much that, anyways, realized I was lagging. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay, J Scott. That's okay. So SPY, it had to happen. Had to happen at some point. I bet you what happens here though, as I'm on the 5 minute for some reason. I bet you what happens is we drop into that meeting, and then power comes on and they pump it back up. Maybe, maybe, perhaps we'll see. Biden is talking. I don't know if Biden is talking. I don't know if Biden is speaking, but why would he be speaking this early? No, Ryan. It's been forever since I had that thing. So much you forgot. So much it forgot its pronouns. Yeah. Are you in NQ? Well, no, you're playing with ES. Same. Okay, let me take a look at ES. Sheesh. 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 Let's see. La, la, la. Oh yeah. Dropping like tomatoes. Nasdaq is getting demolished. La, 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 la. Oh, yeah, those things are getting NSAT. It was coming. It had to happen. We can't just keep hitting all-time highs, guys. All-time highs? No. All-time highs? No. And the plug? Okay, I think it's because I'm on the 5 minute. That's why. I think I'm on. CM? I'm on the 5 minute. I'm on the 5 minute. On that, I was on the 5 minute. So there you go. Sorry, you must have been going crazy. Like, why the hell don't I have that? Yeah, I'm on the 5 minute. Yep. Okay, let's see. On the 5 minutes. Okay, let's do. No, 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 no. Let me send this over. Hmm. To uh, 1 second. Let me look at a different time frame here, actually, because there's a nice little bottom here. Nice little bottom there. La 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 la. Hmm. Okay. Power hour. No, so he speaks at like an hour before power hour. Yeah. I don't know why I can't. Yeah, so 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. 2:30. Okay. Yeah, so the minutes come out at 2 p.m. Eastern, and then he speaks at 2:30. 2:30 p.m. So we shall be back. Switching everything. CM. Okay, good, 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 good. So plug is back to 440 by the way, which is good. So the high for now on that candle. Okay, so the high on that candle was 44, 45, 445. Not too bad. Not too bad. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so 83. La, 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 la. You love that damn thing, Rich. I feel like you play with it every day. CCTG every day. That's your favorite name. Musty, this one's back to $9 again. GHSI. So let's see if it stays above $9. CCTG. It is. It has done well though, so I can see why you'll love it so much. It's back to $20. 18 to $20. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Not bad at all. Not too bad at all. Mm, hmm, perfect. La, la, la. Not a penny stock, but BA is pumping. Yeah, BA is also coming off the 200. Yeah, it looks good. Virus is holding those calls, I think. Yeah, it's coming up support at 200, so that's a good thing. 209 is your next little resistance there, Blizzy. Should have. Let's go. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. 2880. Is the S&P still dropping? It almost seems like it's consolidating now. Like it's consolidating. Yeah, so is NQ actually. NQ is trying to consolidate, but these things will have crazy volatility today. Crazy volatility today. Crazy volatility. 56 and 62 in the scalping monies. Pyros. Yeah, no, that's perfect. Find the range, scalp the range. That's perfect, right? That's why we like when the market, when the day goes on and you have a bit more like in terms of levels to pay attention to, that's perfect, right? Yeah, it's done that a few times. And if you keep scalping that, you make monies. Monies. La. Isn't that crazy? Crazy. Alan is trying to buy Paramounts for 30 billion. How the heck did he get that rich? All he has is his comedy talk show since the 90s for 90 billion. I mean, you never know though. People usually have like different ventures. Just because someone's a comedian, doesn't mean yeah. It's like all these. I mean, you look at people like all these celebs, right? Oh well, like all these people like Michael Jordan and all like athletes. These guys invest in like all these other random ventures, and then they end up printing money. So, missed that re-entry. Yep. Let me take a look. Cool. 30-minute. Look at CNXA now. CNXA said, "Hey guys, you're not stopping me. 70 cents. 70 cents. 70 cents. Who executed?" Oh yeah. $0.70. Na, 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 na. Hmm. 70. Oh, that's a really nice push. It's a very, very nice push. CNXA. From the future, it's at 269. That seems like a random number. That seems like a made up number. Seems like a made up number. Let's see. Fly me to the moon. Is that the song you're singing for CCTG, Rich? You should see how oh, the show, Weather Channel, like 2 years ago. Oh yeah, I have no idea who that guy is, William. Not a clue. Not a clue who that is. Not a clue. What's CDIO at? So we're still kind of playing with the same range there. Okay. Same range. Same range. Interesting. As long as they don't steal from everybody, yeah. You're still, yeah. Just make sure you have a plan, please. Ryan, please make sure you have a stop loss already. Yeah, the S&P looks weak. I think we're gonna be like that until like the Fed meeting. Until the Fed meeting. What are we doing here with MINM? It's trying to curl, isn't it? So above $4. Yeah, it's trying to. It's trying to. Yeah, no, CNX has done really well. Now it's dropping, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. Look at that, right? But it's not just dropping from a random level, though, right? Not just dropping from a random level; it's failing at resistance, Lori. So it's almost like market open resistance levels. So 71.72. That's a crazy drop. It dropped right back to the same level that. Wow, that's wild. That is wild. Uh, anyways, uh, you're back to even though. Okay, you're just holding at this point. Yeah, don't make sure you don't let it go back to the abyss, right? Yeah, BA looks really good actually. GHSI, yeah, that's why with these things you really need to wait for the breakouts. The breakouts. I still like what LYT is doing. I still think it might do some things here. If we break back above 12 cents and stay above 12 cents, I think we mentioned 12.20, 12.40 earlier. Yeah, those two levels. Yeah, yeah, BTC. Yeah, I think those Bitcoin ETFs are pumping too. You know, like it's still in the same range it was yesterday though. Mark is running now. Okay. Yeah, CNXA looks like it's headed for the abyss. To the abyss. CM, what's your stop loss on plug? Do you have one? Do you have one? Yeah, Boeing is going for 210 there, virus. BA 210. And SPY is just consolidating here. Consolidating. Let's see. 75 at 39? Okay. Yeah, let's see. It might hit, but it's really been stalling quite a bit, though. You know, at 445, like we've been sitting here for how many minutes now, and it's been stalling there. So that's not a bad stop loss. And then if it decides to curl back up, then that's amazing. We might actually come back and retest it. Yeah, that 430 level, right? 430 was the breakout, anyways, right? The typical retest. So yeah, it like when it's stalling like this for too long, it might just want to go like it just wants to go back down. Yeah, let me take a look at Mark. Oh yeah, Mark is back to 80 cents. Wow, that's not bad. Not bad at all. I think we mentioned 64 cents this morning, right? Yeah, 64 cents has been a good spot for Mark. And it's back to 80 cents. Yeah. NEXI is curling. Not bad. Yeah, 50%. Not bad at all. Yeah, it's trying to. There's a nice double bottom at 11:30. These stocks are crazy. Yeah, interesting. Okay. It's back to $2 already. My goodness. Sheesh. 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 Yeah, Mark is at 84. Watch that thing go back from red to green. I don't think it's gonna happen today, but it's 71 today. 50. Yeah, it looks like we dropped SCM and then popped immediately back up. Popped and dropped, still in the same range. Oh, there goes lit. So again, we like lit because lit could get really lit up, you know. So anybody seen that? Well, have you guys seen Suits? Where what's his name again? Yeah, Lewis. Yeah, Lewis lit. Lit is getting lit up. Yeah, it's going up. So I like what it's doing. I like it. I like it. I like it. Now we just need to stay above these stupid bottoms. 1260. 1260. Louis lit. Uh, oh my goodness, Ryan. There goes 1275. 1275 for lit. Na 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 na. Tesh sounds good. See you later. See you later. See ya later. Na, na, na. Yeah, CNXA is still dropping here. So just if you're in it, just make sure it stays above 50 cents. Alrighty. Mark looks like it's failing at 84 cents. MINM looks like it's still curling there. It almost looks like an inverse head and shoulder actually. Still needs to break above 450 though. And back to lits. Yeah, Neo. Yeah, China. China. Yup. 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 Rumble. Okay. What's your entry price, Kodai, in CDIO? What's your entry price? Did I ever change the stop loss on this? For ADAP, not that I'm aware of, John. Not that I'm aware of. 13. Open stop losses. Okay, I'll leave it where it's at. You got in at 205. Okay, so you're slightly green in that position. Okay. Yeah. 205. And what's your stop loss at, Kodai? What's your stop loss at? Double bottoms. Yeah, look at Lit go, guys. Lit is pumping. Lit. Oh, it's getting lit up, guys. We are getting lit up. What did we say? Never mind. Yeah. We are getting lit up. 1340, guys. 66%. 1350. Come on, in honor of Lewis Lit. Come on, 1350. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. 98. That's actually where I have mine as well. I don't know if I want to move it though. Might move it a little bit higher, but we'll see. I'll leave it there for now. We'll leave it there for now. Lit it up. That was a nice bottom, wasn't it? So anywhere between 11 and 1050, that was a nice entry. If you're holding lit, type in yes in the chat. Actually, type in yes if you're holding lit. Ryan, don't type in yes because I know you're lit up already. Let's go. Come on. There goes 1350, 1360, 1370. We are getting lit up. Heck yeah. Let's go. So again, just be aware that we are approaching resistance, like pre-market resistance, 1380. Alrighty, just be careful here, please. Please and please and please. So we hit a nice bottom, right? But now we have a little bit of resistance. The closer we get to 1380. 14 for the let's go, Justin. Give us a nice fat green candle. But no, we do have resistance right there from pre-market, like I said. So I hope we don't stall. But even if we do, just be make sure you're moving the stop losses higher. Don't go reds. Blah blah blah. Tony, we're getting lit up. Lit up, Tony. So there goes your drop, right? So that level, the closer you get there, the more problems we have. For now, I would just be watching the 9. Even if we dip to like 1260, I'd still be okay with it. But yeah, just so you're aware, and you if you want to take profits at resistance, you should be aware of the resistance levels already. It doesn't mean you have to sell it. It just means you have a plan that, okay, this is my stop loss, or I'm going to take profits. That's completely up to you. That's completely up to you. We're just kind of skipping up and down now. Cool. 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 Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. There goes 1375. Come on. Lit it up. Lit it up. 1370, guys. We're so close. So close. Let's. You sold at 1350? Okay. Not a bad exit. Let's leave you behind though. Please and thank you. Maybe not, but again, not a bad exit, right? Close to resistance, not a bad exit. Congratulations, DP. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And here we go, guys. 14 cents. We're getting lit up. We're getting what? Lit up, guys. We are getting lit up for lit. We are getting lit up. Let's go. Break 14 cents already. 73%. That's a nice run. There we go. 14 cents again. Let me do a countdown, okay? 3. Oh, I guess it did it already. It broke above 14, guys. 76%. It's like, don't worry. You don't need a countdown. I will destroy the levels for you. 1420, 76. Come on. 76. We are getting lit. What? Lit up. So keep moving those stop losses higher, please. Move those stop losses higher. If you go from green to red, I will whisper in your ear, congratulations. You played yourself. Alrighty, so please do not go red. Yeah, so they're saying 5.7 million, but yeah. But Dago in the last push to 70. Richard, did you have a stop loss? You did not, did you? You did not. They removed level 2 access on Mumu. Oh wow. maybe that was like the promotional offers, level 2, because not very many brokers offer you level 2 for free. So I bet you that they looked around and they said, no thanks, no more free data. I guess I don't know. So think about 1420. Like 1420 is a pretty big level, isn't it? 1420 psychological level resistance. 1420. So move your stop losses higher, take profits whenever you want, blah 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 blah. 31. Let's go CM. Yeah, so like push and then retest that 430 level. Hopefully stays above 430 now, because 430 is the retest of the breakout anyways. right? There goes Lit's retesting the 9. There goes, I mean, all over the place. 1350. 1350. So, which is actually perfect, isn't it? Right? Perfect CM. Love it. Right? Break above 430, push, come back, retest it, and now you have 6 extra cents. 6 extra cents. Magic. Magic. Oh my goodness, we're dropping, guys. We that 1420, that was it, wasn't it? Now we're dropping like a tomato, retesting the breakout as usual, right? So see this little breakout on the left hand side, that green line at the top. That's what we have to come back and retest, right? On everything. Look at plug, right? Plug, plug broke above the green line, right? Breakout went up, had to come back and retest it, and now it's going back up, right? Lit is no exception. Lit broke above it, has to come back and retest the breakout, right? So previous pumps, yeah. Don't hold bags, please. Don't hold bags. Don't hold bags. Uh, C NXA. Okay. Yeah, as long as it stays above 50 cents, you might have a chance there. As long as we stay above. Come on, let's go, Lit. Lit is like, hey guys, hey, I don't know about you, but I don't know about you, but I want to dip. Let's see where this candle ends up closing at. Alrighty, see where we end up closing at, because we're still kind of sitting there, but we shall see. Uh, I mean, you're asking me if Lit is gonna go after hours DP. It's the market has been open for like, you know what I mean? Like you're asking me what's gonna happen hours from now, and all we want to do is look, see what's happening here, right? So that's not a question. That's not a question I can answer. So plug is back to 440, which is amazing. CM, beautiful, love it. So I don't know if we're gonna struggle at 440 again. Hopefully not. Hopefully we don't fail there and then start to go back down. So that would be annoying. But that's a nice little scalpy, especially since you took those profits and then you got back in, right? So that's really good. Lit looks like it's trying to hold that level, which is also kind of good, right? We now need some green candles though. So yeah, if that's what you're thinking, yeah, exactly. Don't beg hold the name because you're wondering what's gonna happen after hours. Alrighty, already. Do not beg hold. Come on, plug. Get back above 440. Get that back above. Mark is almost retesting as well here. If we can stay above 73, and Litz is still kind of sitting there, holding but just sitting there. We need some green candles. Some green candles. Perfect. You got in at 790. Let me take a look. So GHSI, is it consolidating? 790. It's trying to. Let's see if that thing gives us a double bottom there. Actually, not too bad. Let's see. No. Just need to close out a little trading trade there. Uh, a bit of a double bottom, taking an entry at 8. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I mean, it would be nice if it got back above 8 and just stayed above 8. Actually, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. I'm surprised this thing actually came back all the way down here, Justin. It just seemed like one of those names that could, like, consolidate around $10 and then give us the boom ski to $20. So, but we'll see. We'll see what this thing ends up doing. What was the high here? Yeah, the high was 1050. 1050. Yeah, let's see if that thing can give us a double bottom. Double bottom and then boom skis. Alrighty, so I'll leave it on the side for now. What's LYT doing? LYT is going to the abyss, guys. So hopefully you took some profits on the way up, or at the very least, again, have a stop loss. Don't diamond hand these things, please. Right? These are trash penny stocks. When you play the momentum, you make sure you pay yourself and you move on. Alrighty? No bags. No bags, please. TRIB. Let me take a look. So if you're looking for support, watch for 1150-ish there for LYT. Alrighty? 1150-ish. 1150-ish. Okay, let's see. ES all in, ES long. What's ES doing? I will, virus. I will. When Powell comes on, I will. Or when the FOMC meetings happen, I will. One way or the other. Good for you, LYT. You joined the full retrace trash club. It really did. It really did. Na 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 what's the other one doing? Oh yeah, look at that CM. Look at that beautiful entry. That was a beautiful retest. Oh yeah, this one's just selling off now. Maybe watch the demand zone there at 7 7. Yeah, it gave it all away. I think the one annoying thing about this one though is that it's sitting at the lows of the day. That's always a red flag. La, 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 la. Sonoma. PHUN. What is it doing? SNAAO. OA Sonoma. Yeah, I mean, it actually looks like it's gaining a bit of attention. The volume is nice. Yeah, it actually doesn't look too bad. Maybe on the next dip or something to the 9, if you wanted. Yep, Sonoma. Yeah, this one popped up on the unusual volume scanner as well. Yeah, it's going. It's going. 2480. Oh my goodness, that's a really nice push. The point of being during market hours. Oh no, what's the point of being along? Well, well, I mean, I mean, sometimes, oh my goodness, that thing is pumping. What's the current signs? What's your position, Luke? What's your position? Are you? I hope you took profits on that thing, because you have a really good average. I hope you took profits on that thing. I hope you didn't just hold it from 11 all the way to 14 and then back to 11 again. You're still green in your position, which puts you in a nice position, but still, you don't want to be making the gains and then leaving the gains again. Please and thank you. You sold, okay, but thinking about rebuying, okay. I mean, if it can stay above 1160, I don't mind if it can stay above that level. I know we said 1150 earlier, but yeah, it seems to be bouncing a little bit higher. CNXA, Sonoma, yeah, that thing just said bye bye, bye 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 bye, bye 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 bye. Okay, let me send that over. Let's debate on this. We will love it. No, no, no. The old inverse side. I turned it to in 10 minutes. I mean, it's 26 is a pretty solid supply zone there. So, um, what? Oh no, but that's what you're up to, virus. Okay, that's really good. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's actually really good. That's actually really really good. Well done. Mark is back to 78, and Lit is already back to 1220 here, so it's curling. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so let me take a look at this one. Blah 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 blah. From 50 to 61, can you imagine? That's a big payout. Like if that was a funded one, virus, that's big money's virus. You'd be going to the Lambo dealership today. Connecting. It pissed you off. It's actually, well, next time virus, just call me and I'll show you. It's actually pretty. Well, I had to be showed as well. Shown, but it's pretty easy. Like connecting it to yeah, yeah, yeah. La 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 la. Still in cash. La 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 la. Are we Here we go. Yeah, Boeing. Yeah, Boeing looks good. Yes, they have a lot of bad news, but the technical is also like, this is why we love candles. We love candles. My goodness, right? Boeing is a trash. Like, I don't know. The news that's coming out of Boeing is very, 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 very trash, right? But then you look at the chart and you're like, Boeing has support at 200. So bad news. I mean, the damn planes are falling apart. Can you imagine that? The Boeing planes are falling apart. The planes are falling apart, but the chart isn't falling apart though. Look at that. That thing is on fire, BA. Look at that. Look at this beautiful. Look at this chart, guys. Look at this. Right? And we drew an arrow earlier at some point last week because BA bounced up 200 and today it bounced up 200 again. right? The planes are falling apart. The technicals are the best. They got the doors back on, right? So yeah, nice. Anyways, LYT is still curling here, and looks like Sonoma is gonna need to break above 26. They said it tighten the bolts. Yes, 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 yes. And there goes 25, 26 again for Sonoma. There goes new highs of the day, 26.50, 26.80. That thing said, hey, when 27, it's pumping. Oh my goodness. 27. Good thing I transfer. Did the same thing with Mullen. Yeah. I don't like stocks in the OTC. No stocks in the OTC, please. In the OTC. When 27, there 27. Oh my goodness, that's a nice pump. It's a very nice pop. Uh, 27, 28, almost 78%. And 31st, 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 31st. No, 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 no. The first 28. Ooh wee. 28 for SNOA. It's a pretty impressive push. Heard me, it did, Wes, it did. But they're flying them again? Isn't that crazy? Crazy, crazy, right? See, if BA was a small company, that thing would be delisted. BA has so much influence and so many connections that like it really doesn't matter. Those guys could crash a plane and they'd be flying again next week. They have the right friends. No, there's no news. There's zero news, Wes. Zero. Zero, zero news. Zero. Zero news. Just momentum. This time they are trying super gorilla glue on the parts. Yeah, they're trying something, and then what is that body again? FAA or something? Like stamp it approved. Super strong gorilla glue. Next time try super strong gorilla glue. But I can't keep those the planes for these events. Yeah, yeah, yeah. BA is not going anyway. Uh, not going anywhere. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, I'm just looking at those dates. Looking at those dates. Looking at the dates. Okay, so February 1st. Okay, so February 1st. La, 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 la. So the second and then the sixth. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. All in. La, la. In the exactly, William. Exactly. So yeah, BA isn't going anywhere. Oh yeah, I don't know why I'm muted. Sorry. Anyways, there goes 30 cents, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Wes, you see what you've done to this? Too much trash talking, and that thing said, "Oh yeah, you think so? You think so?" Yeah, I don't know. Okay, we should be good now. Oh wow, 95%, guys. 95, 95, 95. Come on, send it, send it, send it, send it. Hi, Didi. Hi, in the village. Do we have to mute? Yeah, no, it's called a slap with the flip flop, with the flip flop. You know. Instead of yeah, let's see. Elon got screwed out of 56 billion. I mean, what does Elon need 56 billion for again? Compensation package or whatever. Yeah, tell him he needs to chill out. He needs to go into Mars, I guess. I guess, or just bring the other companies public. If he needs lots of monies, imagine bringing SpaceX public. Ooh, Elon would be the richest person on Earth again. Yeah, just bring SpaceX public, Starlink public, one of those other like billions of companies he runs. Just bring one of them public. Elon is gonna, yeah. No, it's billions. It's billions. 56 billion. Uh, minis. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's right. Anyways, so 5 more minutes, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord because I have some other stuff to do, and then we're gonna come back before the Fed meeting. So we have to come back before. So those minutes come out at 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. is yeah, noon for me. So, anyways, yeah. So we'll be back an hour before Power Hour. Okay, so not the usual power hour stream. We're gonna be back an hour earlier for the minutes for the violence, and then Powell is gonna come on at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, and then let's see what the markets do. When we die, we don't take nothing with us, Ivan. Yes, Elon thinks he is though. Not. I was muted exactly as I loaded the stream, Troy. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. 2 hours and 25 minutes. Yeah. So 2 hours and 25 minutes. We shall be back. We shall be back. Okay. Oh, la, 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 la. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already, guys. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Come join us. Again, let me know if you have any last questions, and then we're going to hop off. It was $4. It's at 8.40 now. How? Ho? Hasta la vista. Eyebrow Wednesday. Yes. Really? My goodness. It's how? Ni hao ma? Well, yeah, it was at some point though. Not today. Today was 6:50, and then it's been slowly curling. Yeah, not bad at all. CMC, yeah. See you after lunch. What's it? Yeah, see you after lunch. Well, yeah. See you after lunch. Uh, hmm. 啦啦啦啦。Uh, 50. Uh, so here we go. Yes, yes, yes. Broke $1. Nice. William, thank you very much. Jay, see you later. Thank you very much, Gail. Have a wonderful evening. Well, rest of the day. We will see you guys. Yeah. Man typed out a whole essay. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I think the thing with Tesla though too is maybe Elon is being like smarty, 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 Um, right? Smarty, smarty, but then he split up all these other. They're different companies though. They do different things. It would be so cool if they all kind of were under the same umbrella. Would for sure be the most valuable company on earth. For sure be the most valuable. You know, you know. Anyways, we shall end it here for the day. We will be back later. Be safe, virus. Yeah. Fed will pause, market will pump. Send it. Thank you very much, guys. See you in Discord. Emer, see you later. See you Discord. And again, we'll be back. We'll be back. Alrighty. So make sure you come back later. KB. What's the other one? Kodai. What's the other one doing? Now I want to go look. Now I want to go look. Still at 15. Not too bad, I guess. Not too bad, I guess. Yeah, crazy spreads. So, Power, have a wonderful day as well. See you guys in 2 hours. Alrighty? Bye, guys. Bye bye.